Let us learn free Excel tip today. How to specify negative number to display in red color or any other color is what we will learn. Many times we come across such a data where numbers are either positive or negative like this. To identify the numbers which are in negative format is definitely not an easy task, and to go to each and every cell and to change the color will be definitely a tedious job. However, we can use a smart tip and we can save our time. How do we do that? Select the data range, click on it, go to format cells, and in format cells go to custom. In custom, select this 7th formula as shown here and just say OK. See, all the numbers which were in negative format are now turned into red. Please keep in mind, whatever formula you want to apply on this data will definitely not have any change, and you can use it as if it is a negative number in black color. So need not to worry about any calculation. Only one thing we have to keep in mind is this formula is not to be used for decimal places calculation. Here we had another number like minus 200.5. However, it got changed to the nearest decimal. This is just an additional tip for you to keep or to understand how to use the formula for decimal. I will release another video. For now, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.